Dear viewers, welcome to my third video. Last two video I have shown how to create blogger and customize. This video I will show you how to add logo and customize post. So now I'm gonna do view blog. This is my blog. This is my logo. This is the tabs I have added before. This is my social media icon. Okay, this is just a simple post. Okay, so now daily I will show you the post how to create. Go to the blog. Okay, post. Okay, this is my first post. Go to new post. Okay, add photo. Okay, this is a photo. I can make it different size, small, medium, large, extra large. You can see small, medium, large, extra large. Okay, so I'm keeping extra large. Okay, so now I will keep this one down. Okay, this one I will keep. Here title and description. Title and description I have created before. Okay, just only copy, paste. I will keep it middle. Okay, down I will write the description. Okay, which I have created before. That is just copy and paste. Yeah, so the image now I can make it this one. The font I can change the font. So if I keep this like that 3, so I will give it change. Okay, I will make it bold. Look at how it's looking. So I can make it color also, like there's many color. This is the red color. I keep the red color. It's looking nice. Okay, and here also this is the title, photo, and description. Description I can bold it. Okay, okay, the photo, if you want to make it link, like if you want to divert your traffic to your original website, so you can add link on that photo. So how to add link I'm showing. Okay, click here, link. Okay, text to display, there is nothing, no need to write here anything, just only write the URL for your website. My website is Toyota website, www.toyota.com. okay, this is toyota.com. I can take the link also, so I just add. Okay, my link has been added in that photo. Okay, so then you can add also video. The video, how to add video, I will show you. Okay, this is can make it middle, right. Okay, we can make number list. Okay, this is number 1. Okay, you can make it. Okay, bullet, quotation. You can keep quotation also. Removing the quotation, it will be more small. So you can there is option undo. You can make it undo. Okay, whatever you can change. Okay, if there is some mistake happen, you can fix it by using this undo and redo, these two. Okay, so now I will show you that post setting level. You can keep keep some label here. Anything you want to write, you can write here. Like I will write this. Okay, copy, paste, done. Okay, this is my label. Okay, schedule, I can add the schedule automatic. If I keep the date, like I want the, I will just post, update it, publish, then I want to keep it like 20. So after one day, tomorrow it will be published automatically. So I'm not going to keep the date, so I'm keeping the automatic. Okay, done. Link. Okay, after creating this content, the website is give you the link. This is the link. Okay, if you want to change something from here, like you don't like something, you want to write here, you can press this on the custom permalink, so you can edit it, whatever, you can edit it from here. So I'm not going to edit it, just keep it. Done. Location, if you want to add location, you can add your location option, like okay, your reader comment option, allow. If anybody want to comment, and you can allow that, or you don't want, don't allow. Okay, compose mode, HTML. Okay, you can change it from here. So my reader I'm allowing, anybody can comment in this, so I keep allow. Just done. Okay, if I save it, okay, it will be saved in my draft, so later I can edit it. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to add video. I want to keep some video here. Okay, in this, like this. Okay, this one there I want to keep the link. Okay, so insert a video. Okay, from YouTube. From YouTube. Toyota for search. Yeah, we found many car here. Like I want to keep it this. Okay, select. Okay, so it's come here. The photo you can see. Okay, it is a small. If you want to change, you can change it. Okay, for that you can select. Okay, now going to HTML coding. Okay, in the and you can see, okay, the size. Okay, you can see this is the HTML code, so you can find the size, like this is the size. Okay, there is a double quotation, this is the width, height, this is the length. So that's I will change it from here. There you can see double quotation, also double quotation. So I will change it from width. Okay, make sure anything you want to change should be between double quotation. Okay, this is like I'm making 400. Okay, 4. Okay, HTML 420. Click on HTML, save it. You can see the sizes become little bit more big. Okay, so later if you want to make it more big, you can make it more big. So this is my title, this is the image, description. Between description I give the video. Okay, clicking by this video, the visitor can visit this the web, the YouTube channel. Okay, and by this photo I have linked it, so by clicking this photo I can divert my traffic to my original website. So now I'm going to show you that if I click this, save, publish, okay, view. It was my first post, okay, to publish it post, okay, this one, update, view. You can see it, title, description, and image, video. Okay, so I will click this video. The website for Toyota.